So here on Real House Dogs of Greer, we are going for a walk. And as you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Greer. Nice autumn day. Dogs doing their walking. They tore down these woods to build this neighborhood, and they never built it. All right, come on. Oh, I have to show you one of these things. This is our favorite place to come and pee on. You have to pee on these things that are all throughout the neighborhood, throughout this undeveloped neighborhood. Alright, so here we are on our walk. Arden just had to pee. And like I said, it is a beautiful day here in Greer. Come on, bud. It's a great day to be a dog. Look at the color of these leaves. See, it's a beautiful day to be a dog, walking around this nice neighborhood. See if we can get some of these leaves back here. Yeah. Here's Arden. Where is she? There's Arden leading the pack. And Smokeroo and Scooby Booby. And we're just on a nice stroll through the neighborhood. Alright, as you can see, we are still on our walk around the neighborhood. And it is tricky walking 3 dogs and filming at the same time. But look at our beautiful scenery that we have. This is such a great place to be a house dog in Greer. Get to walk around this neighborhood in the fall time when all the leaves are changing. See if we can see these leaves back here. Hold on, hold on. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. It's a great place to be. Here we are, coming home. There's our home. It's been a good walk. And now we're coming home. Goodbye. And this is us after our walk. Look at these dogs. They just had a nice, good walk. That little boy right there. Alright, say goodbye, Scooby. Goodbye.